Hey guys, I'm right here today with another daily vlog. Today I'm actually going to give you what? I forget. Sorry about that. But right now I'm going to, if you make sure you like and subscribe, you'll be entered in my giveaway for these. See this, guys? See this? This is my first giveaway. If you can't fit this size, here's the receipt. You can go back to the store and get another. If you don't subscribe, I can't enter you in my giveaway. And if you subscribe, if you comment I subscribe, I'll give you a free Xbox One. See, look, this is real. See, look. See, and I have the whole set up too. See. I got all the games for GTA. I know you guys like GTA, so let me cut this off. Okay, so anyway, and I'll give you a free phone with the purchase. If you comment and subscribe too, it doesn't matter. So, free phone. And this is the biggest giveaway I could give. Okay, guys, you should be ready for this. Oh, I'm going to give away my supercar right there. My GTR right there. My white GTR, guys. Like and subscribe. I'll give you my white GTR. I keep got a Lambo too, but it's in a garage. I can't really go down there. So, bye.